Hi, my name is Erica, and today I'm starting my October daily documenting. These pages will go right after my weekly spreads in the same Avery mini binder that I've been using. This is a new solution I'm trying out in order to keep every year as organized as possible. I realized having multiple albums every year was starting to stress me out a bit because I don't have a ton of space. So for this project, I'll try to keep the bulky items to a minimum so I can use them for my December pages that will be going in right after these. So for October 1st, I'm using Bella Boulevard's Halloween Magic. I'm going to have half a title page that is 5.5 by 4.5, and my bottom two photos are both 4 by 2. And I'm leaving a space in the middle for a little confetti window. I have a photo of myself wearing a super soft t-shirt that says, "It's all a bunch of hocus pocus," in a bowl of fiery, flaming, hot Cheeto mac and cheese that Sean found at the store. We don't eat a lot of Cheetos, but we are chili heads, so we thought it would be something fun to try out for October. And it was okay, but it definitely just tasted like super spicy mac and cheese. So depending on what we have going on every day, I might do 2 days per page or just one. I love taking photos, and you guys know I love journaling tons. But I know I have to keep this simple in order to stay caught up on it. So last year I got a fuse tool to use for my December daily. I didn't end up using it, so I thought this would be the perfect opportunity to customize some page protectors. AKA, I've never used it before, so I thought the best way to do this was to insert the confetti first into my window and then fuse it shut. But I ended up just lining up my photos on the outside and scoring the window shut, so I could still take photos of my pages outside of the page protectors, if that makes any sense. I wish I could have shown you the process, but the fuse tool cable is really short for some reason, so I had to do it off camera. For the confetti window, by the way, I used this Spider Bites mix that my friend Jojo gave to me for our Halloween swap. So moving on to October 2nd, I'm using Fancy Pants A Little Bit Scary collection. Every fall, we try to visit an animal rescue to donate and interact with the animals, so this year we went to Sammamish Animal Sanctuary. The way I printed out my photos for this day was to make a photo collage of a 4x4 photo and a 4x2 photo, and then the other 4x2 photo was just printed out with another 4x4 photo that will go on another page. I did add in some black lace trim behind my top photo. I added a little banner at the top and a piece of ephemera that says "Too Cute to Spook." I just cut that in half and put that on both of my bottom photos. And I also included, I believe, my day sticker from Feed Your Craft, and that is pretty much wrapping it up. The farm had all kinds of farm animals, and the kiddo had just such a blast watching, feeding, and petting them all. Now for my journaling, because I had to include some journaling, of course, I am just doing a hidden pocket. I went over to my typewriter and just adhered this to a couple of papers from the Little Bit Scary collection, and I have the Bella Boulevard little spooky tags on top. I will end up going back and coloring the other side of the tag black just because the purple did not go with the color scheme at all. But that is pretty much it. Again, just trying to keep my project achievable, so I kept it pretty simple, at least for the first couple of days, but I'm really going to try to figure out to see how I can work in some fun, interactive elements while still keeping it relatively flat. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this inspired you, and I hope you have a beautiful rest of your day. Bye!